Watkins Glen is perhaps one of the most stunning state parks in all of United States. Located in the heart of Finger Lakes region in New York, Watkins Glen offers a unique way to experience waterfalls inside of the canyons of the gorge. I invite you to join me on this magical waterfall adventure to experience the windy pathways of Watkins Glen, marvel at its majestic waterfalls, and seek out even more waterfalls that can be found all over upstate New York. Good morning from upstate New York. If you've been following my adventures along, you know I'm road tripping through the Finger Lakes area of New York. I'm checking out some of the best state parks in the area. Yesterday I checked out Letchworth State Park, and today we are in Watkins Glen. Within those walls there are over 20 waterfalls that I want to show you guys today. This gorge is located at the south end of Seneca Lake, the largest and deepest of the lakes in the Finger Lakes region. Now the walls surrounding it are over 400 feet deep, and you can see that the path is cut into the side of the gorge as you go and explore more waterfalls. In 1794, a gentleman by the name of John Watkins purchased this land, and he began building mills. One of them was called the Big Gully, which was built right here in the gorge. But he left soon after a big fire destroyed his summer residence, and he donated this land to the state of New York. And Watkins Glen officially became a state park in 1906 for all of us to enjoy. I'm now in front of what's arguably the most popular waterfall here in the park, the Rainbow Falls. The best time to come to Watkins Glen is after a rainfall. As you can see, there's water flowing all over from the walls down below, and the waterfalls are in full swing. So check the weather before you come. Prior to visiting Watkins Glen, my favorite state park was Silver Falls in Oregon, which could in and of itself be a national park, but I'm glad it's not, because it would just mean more crowds. But this place is absolutely beautiful and takes the #1 spot as my favorite state park in the entire country. It is worth a visit and drive here. We've just gotten out of the frowning face part of the canyon, about 1.5 miles from the starting point. As you can see, the canyon kind of opens up, and I don't think there's a lot more waterfalls to be seen, so we'll be turning around. Hi there. And we'll be going to check out more waterfalls here at Watkins Glen, and then we'll head over to Ithaca to show you one of the tallest waterfalls in New York. After exploring the majestic waterfalls of Watkins Glen, I continue my way towards the nearby town of Montour Falls to share some other spectacular waterfalls in the area. Here we have the Deckertown Falls. It's a 3-tiered waterfall in the town of Deckertown, just a mile away from Montour Falls. This is the Eagle Cliff Falls. It's a very short quarter-of-a-mile hike round trip. It is absolutely beautiful with a little canyon on the side. But now I'll be going back into my car heading towards Ithaca, exploring more waterfalls. And at the end of the video, I want to take you guys to the tallest waterfall here in New York State. I just got to the town of Ithaca, and the first waterfall I want to show you is the Buttermilk Falls. It's a state park located 2 miles south of the city, and there is a 1.5 mile loop to take you through this beautiful gorge and to see other waterfalls. And then we'll head to Cornell campus and check out more waterfalls along there. This is the last waterfall I'm going to show you guys here in Buttermilk Falls State Park, but it is absolutely beautiful, and it really reminds me of Stony Brook Falls that I visited into my prior video, which you should definitely check out after this one. But I am now turning back around, heading back to my car, and we'll go check out Ithaca Falls, and afterwards we're going to go to the tallest waterfall here in New York. This here, guy, is the Ithaca Falls. I believe it is one of the tallest waterfalls in Ithaca, and after this we're heading to Taughannock Falls, the tallest waterfall in New York. This behind me is the Taughannock Falls, the tallest waterfall in all of New York State, standing at 213 feet tall, which is 30 feet taller than the Niagara Falls, which I'm actually heading to see tomorrow. So this is the last waterfall of the many that I've shown you guys today. Let me know down in the comments below which one is your favorite, and I hope to see you guys on my next adventures from Niagara Falls. Till next time, Luke G signing out.